Hey guys, it's me, BLUW 468, and follow my again. Only this time, I'm here to do something I haven't done in a while. I know I don't have my camera in here with me, it's upstairs, and I'm only downstairs, so. Just got back from HMD, and I picked up something. And also put on Doctor Who season 4 on hold for me. Season 4! Anyway, I'm here to review this. If I had a chance to get my camera, I would make some weird intro, like, exterminate, stars flying away. Oh yeah, I also gotta mention, I got the TARDIS. From Sync Company, I got this guy. You know, Sync Company got this. Wind up, TARDIS from, one second, hold on a second. Didn't mean to put you guys off there for a second. Yeah, that was right there. One second. From, BLUW, anybody from England, comment on this video. Tell me how good this company is, because, you know, being me in a thing, you know, being in Canada, you know, it's trying to, isn't it? No. Anyway, I'm just joking, guys. It's totally my hair. You can tell by the way I was doing it. But it is pretty cool. Like, just don't know how BLUW how good the company is. Like, just know that they only have two kinds of Daleks. They got a red one and blue one. Look what happens when I line it up. It moves its head with it. Which you gotta mix this one. Exterminate, 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 yeah, we all know you want to exterminate, especially the dog. Exterminate the dog. Ah! Anyway, that's my impression. And soon enough, I mean, I made some faulty promises, and it looks so like it's super dark, doesn't it? Exterminate. Anyway, so, in other words, I'm also here to say, out of it, I give it a 2 thumbs up. Realistic look, except for the little wind-up part sticking out of it. Next video I do will be on my TARDIS, and then other videos to come will be me doing an impression video. I'll thank you very much. Okay, I'm never doing that one again. This BLUW 468 was awesome, and off. Peace.